Hi guys, today we will talk about how to buy a custom domain on Shopify. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your store on which you want to buy a custom domain. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. And here, take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options. From these, you have to tap on the option settings, which is on the bottom. Once you will click on the option setting, you will get access to your store setting where you can do all type of setting as you want. Like in general, you can check store billing address and much more. But from these, scroll down and here you can see the option of domains. Click on it. Once you will click on domain, here you will see two options: buy a new domain or connect to existing domain. If you have a previous domain and you want to connect that with your Shopify, then click on this option and add that domain. But in order to purchase a new click here, buy a new domain, once I will click on it here, I need to enter the domain name and look for the availability that is available or not. Now I at me right, and below you will see the domain and also with the price tag. So in order to buy any of these, you have to tap on the option buy. And also you can check on it another page by clicking on this. And here you will see much more. So in order to buy any of these, click on the option buy, and that's it.